Super happy that I can actually see the stainless. I've been looking so long for something like this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another iPhone 12 accessory video. I just Amazon Primed myself a case for my 12 Pro Max. So the case is from a company called Spigen. I've been getting cases from them for a long time, and I will link this one in the description if you guys do want to pick it up. Basically, I've been looking for a clear case for the iPhone 12 for a long time now. I've had some trouble because most cases, they block off the sides where the stainless steel is, which looks really good on the new iPhone 12 Pros. These guys are super affordable too, and I'm a big fan of this company, so I'm hoping that continues with this case. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So here's the front of the box here. So you've got the logo. This one is for the 12 Pro Max, but they definitely make it for the other models, even the iPhone 12 mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. They make it for everything, and like I said, there's a link down below if you guys do want to get one. There's the back, there's the side, there's the bottom, there's the top. It's called the Crystal Clear Case. Little pull tab here. Open it up. Okay, let's take it out of the bag and see if this is finally going to be the clear case I've been looking for. I think it might be. It looks clear on the sides and everything, just like I want. Let's go ahead and take off the little protective film. I think this is pretty much what I've been looking for, so I'm really hoping it actually is. It's like a more flimsy plastic, but I'm totally fine with that. It's going to have a thick edge anyways to block it from some kind of fall. You can see it's got a bit of a lip near the camera, so it's going to protect the camera and everything. You've got the volume up and down, power on the other side, and you've got some annoying writing on the side, but I'm sure you won't really notice that, especially because I find most people don't really look at that side. Most people look at this side because, you know, you're controlling the volume and stuff, and you tend to see this side a little bit more, in my opinion. But it's also got the Spigen or Spigen logo at the bottom. Let's go ahead and toss it on my phone though. Currently I'm using the black case from Apple, the silicone one, but I really want to see the matte finish on the back and the stainless steel, so let's go ahead and toss this guy on. And I think that looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. Nice and clear, everything looks nice. You can see the sides, the stainless steel, which was the big thing for me. Really happy with that. The volume up and down, you can still click it and everything, no problem. Super happy that I can actually see the stainless. I've been looking so long for something like this. It's got cutouts for the speaker too, so you don't lose any sound. Apple logo is still visible on some angles as well. It's just kind of hard where I am right now because it's really bright. Lip around the camera, you can see it goes above the actual camera itself, so it's going to protect it from any kind of like falls. The bumper is decently thick too, so any kind of drop, it should be protected. If you're someone who cares about maybe seeing the Apple logo, the matte finish, or maybe even the stainless steel on the sides, which I know is a big one, I think this case is for you. It looks really good. It's nice and slim, lightweight, and just an overall really good case, especially for the price. This cost me less than $16, which is really good compared to other cases that kind of look like this. And that's it for the case. Really happy with this case, mostly because of that stainless steel still being visible. I bought an OtterBox case a couple weeks ago, and it was a frosted side and I couldn't see anything, and I was pretty frustrated with that. But I think this is like the perfect case that I've found so far, that you can actually see all of the design details of the phone and still have a decent amount of protection. So really happy with the purchase. Highly recommend it if you are looking for a phone case that you can still see the actual phone behind it. And I'll probably be alternating between some Apple silicone cases, this, and maybe a couple other ones in the future. But this is definitely my day-to-day case, something that I'm going to use a lot more than the others. There's one last look at it before we end the video, but like I said, guys, if you need one for your iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, there is a link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and review of the case. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Lots more content coming, but for now, this is it. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video.